Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the MyCAD Tools Batch Properties tool. This tool allows you to create, modify, or even remove custom properties for batch files within a folder or all the reference components within an assembly. So let's activate the tool. I want to update all of the SolidWorks files in a specific folder. So first I'm going to select Add Folder. Browse to the location where the files are saved, click Select Folder. Then I want to ensure all the files within the subfolders are being processed as well, so I click Subfolders. Then I click Filters, and I make sure Parts, Assemblies, and Drawings have all been checked. Then click OK. I'm going to work on 4 properties, so I change my number of properties to 4. First, I want to create a property called Date. Then I need to specify the value that I'd like to assign to that property. Select Add, choose Date, specify your date format, and click Add. Next, I would like to modify the Drawn By property with some static text. Click Add. Then I'd like to copy the value from an existing property. So the new one is going to be called Item, and I would like to copy the value from item code. Then I would like to delete item code. Simply select delete. Then click apply. Once the processing is complete, you can see a report. And if you open up the custom properties, you will see the changes that have taken effect. Thank you for watching.